I mean? What's going on, y'all? So we back at it with another vlog. We're on the way to the Poconos right now. 6-year anniversary, filming made 6 years. So what we got planned for this weekend is, right now we're gonna eat real quick, go snow tubing, which neither of us have done before, then go to dinner. That'll pretty much be the day. And then tomorrow we're going to, well, the outdoor water park is like the biggest in the state, but we're going to the indoor part, and it's like temperature control is like 85 degrees year round. So that's gonna be nice. You know, it's January, so that's gonna be nice to do. Then we're gonna go to dinner again, go to arcade, you know, just chill out for the weekend. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and enjoy the show. About to go down. I'm gonna try and record. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Hopefully y'all can hear me through this thing. But here we go. Yeah. Now I'm scooting. All right. Here we go. Oh. All right. Oh. My ankle. Not it stopping me. All right, we're gonna try going down backwards now. I ain't gonna lie. I tried to go in my front and my legs was too long. It kicked the snow and then I stopped moving. So we're gonna try going down backwards now. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh! 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 Oh, we turning. We turning. Or not. Oh! Snap. Oh! Woo! Look at that full rainbow. Crazy. Now it's a double rainbow, kinda cuts off up there. Dope, dope, dope. Oh! That's covering your face. Nah, it looked fast as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, so snow tubing was pretty fun. We're going to dinner right now at the Garlic Restaurant and Bar. So we're about to go in. Reservations is in like 10 minutes and let y'all know how the food goes. Alright, what's going on guys? So dinner was pretty good. I got that jerk shrimp, but they put way too much sauce on it, and I was just like, you know, it just got kind of overwhelming. But overall, pretty nice restaurant. So it's the next day. We about to get breakfast at this place called Compton's. What was it, Waffle House? But yeah, I'm wondering why a place called Compton's anything is out here in East Stroudsburg. But we're gonna go in and see if they make it like they should. All right, we got the caramel cheesecake pancakes with the home fries, bacon, and eggs. Nothing super fancy, but
thank you.
I want to see.
Lady, can you get some hot syrup?
Alright, so the left brunch was actually pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like for a regular, you know, old hole in the wall type of diner or whatever, but there's a lot of locals there, like high school kids and stuff, so it must be a popular spot. But so we're here at the arcade now, so we're gonna do arcade. They got bumper cars, virtual reality, laser tag, all that. So we're gonna do all that. We're about to bowl right now, and then we're gonna head to the water park after. Bro, look at these balls. This is skee ball. This is literally skee ball.
I've never seen it.
So tonight I got the oversized polo wool overcoat at the little Zara. It's kind of like a linen jacket, light jacket to wear underneath, Kith long sleeve, just some regular gray denim, and then the white cement 4s on feet. So pretty casual tonight, but still clean. So back at the crib, and let me tell y'all about dinner last night. That was possibly the worst, not even exaggerating, the worst experience I've had at a restaurant. Number one, we had reservations for 7:15. We come in, obviously it's winter time, it's busy season, all that, there's a bunch of people, whatever. I've never had to wait 30 minutes after having a reservation. Like, I couldn't believe it. So we're waiting. Obviously, we've been, arcade, water park, running around, going out to breakfast, all this stuff. So, like, when you stop doing all that moving and everything and, like, sit down, like, all that starts to set in. Started getting a little tired or whatever. So we're waiting a little bit. We finally get a waiter to come over. And, of course, she opens with this long dialogue, like, oh, where are you guys from? Which I get, they're resort staffs. They're not just, like, restaurant staff. They work at multiple different things. So she's like, tells us about, like, oh, you staying over here? Oh, my boyfriend lives over here. Oh, one time the cops was in, like, I'm like, bro, at this point, like, we wanted to do the whole order at once. No drinks, then the appetizer, just take it all at once. I think she got the water first, whatever. We're waiting another few minutes. We get the drinks. I didn't like my drink. I got an exchange, but like that took another 10 minutes. Then we got our appetizers. That took another 10 to 15 minutes. After appetizers, like, we're waiting for like maybe like 20 more minutes just to get our order. So we get in our actual order. My food was pretty good. That might have took half an hour. I'm not even like exaggerating. So I ended up getting like this aioli based roasted tomato burger or whatever. Pretty good, not gonna lie. My wife got a steak, but she asked for medium well. It was super pink inside. She could barely cut it. It was super tough. And after we're done eating, we literally didn't see the waiter for like another 30 minutes or so. So then another person walked by and we're like, hey, can we get the check? He was asking us if we want dessert or whatever. I was like, bro, we just want the check or whatever. So then like 10 minutes go by, our actual waiter comes by and she's like, oh, did you want dessert or whatever? And we're like, oh, we told someone, we already asked for the check, but like, yeah, sure, just at least let us know what's on it. And she's like, oh, I got it memorized, so I'll be right back. I'm like, well, if you got it memorized, why don't you just tell us what it is? Whatever. So then she goes, and then we're like, bro, like at that point, I barely wanted the dessert in the first place. So then she's like, sends that guy back over, asks if we want the dessert or whatever. I was like, bro, just get us a check. So then that took another 10 minutes. Finally got the check, put the card in, gave it to her. She went out. Took another 10 minutes to get my card back. I'm like, bro, I cannot believe. I've never been somewhere where every single sequence of the restaurant, from the wait to get seated, to the drinks, to the appetizers, to the main course, to the dessert, to the check, took 10 to 15 minutes each. It was insane. So then Then ended up getting us like complimentary dessert or whatever. We ended up leaving, and then you know, that was that. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go get some mani-pedis, and then we're going to go see Avatar 2. I know we're like 3 weeks late going to see that, but we're going to go see Avatar 2, and hopefully it's good. Alright guys, back home. This is the end of the vlog. So mani-pedi was pretty good, a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but the place is also like a spa, whole experience type thing, so it makes sense why it was priced like that. My movie review for Avatar 2, I give it a solid 9, to be honest. You know, I went on Disney Plus and saw Avatar 1 over for the first time and like since it came out, and I was like, oh, I didn't realize how dope this was. Like, I really forgot about that movie like completely. But Avatar 2, I like the concept. The visuals definitely upgraded over the first movie. Can't wait to see Avatar 3. The story was pretty dope. It's just, I don't know like what is going to be the end of this story. Like, are they going to recycle like I'm not trying to spoil it, but basically there's like an ongoing war all the time. It's like, are they going to keep doing that like Planet of the Apes, or like, I don't know where they're going to go with it. But either way, I definitely recommend seeing it. Definitely a visual, like James Cameron don't play when it comes to the visuals, so definitely see it if you haven't. Yeah, give it a solid 9. But that's the end of the vlog. Thank y'all for sticking with me. New year, definitely pushing. I know we're always on that road to 1,000, so I can, you know, start monetizing the channel, get more on the algorithm and pushing the content to more people. But for right now, my goal right now is to try and get 500 subscribers. So we're almost at 300, so we're right there. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be more consistent with the content. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment on what was your favorite part of the vlog, and I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll catch you on the next video.